Hello YouTube, this is my in-dash GPS and CD player I made. Finally done with it. Took me a little over a week to make it, but I just took a regular Garmin GPS and I put it over my radio, and I put some USB ports in there, as you can see, to charge stuff. This is the master switch for USB. It's just connected to the cigarette lighter underneath the trim. But yeah, I'll take this out and show you what the inside looks like. Okay, so I started building this with the frame, and I just took a plastic welder, basically just a hot soldering iron, and I melted the two, the frame together, the two edges where the seam right there, and then another one here. I was lucky enough that this radio actually came with these 4 screws, and I could just mount these plastic sides on, like right there, and so that worked out nice. And then I just melted these hinges on to each side for the screws that mount my car. This is for the power from the 12-volt cigarette lighter, and it's behind the trim so you can't see it. It looks nice. And that goes into here. I have 2 power blocks, or they're from the old Garmin GPS power supplies, but they bring the 12 volts down to 5 volts. So I could probably get away with just one, but I have 2. One for the USB, which is here. You can see I had to make the USBs too. I had to mount them on the circuit board and all that. Probably a little bit more work than I needed, but I did that. And then this circuit board, boy, can't really focus, but it's just screwed in right here, top and bottom. I had to extend a lot of the power cord, or the cords on the GPS wires, for so you can see for the speaker and the battery right here. And then the speaker is just right here. I made a mount for the actual GPS chip, and yeah, I had to plastic weld that in right here. It's just held in by double-sided stick tape. Then same for the front. I actually used the same trim that came on the GPS, and I could just melt that into the frame. So honestly I can pop out this screen whenever I need to. Hopefully I don't need to do that again. Then you can see I just left the cord in there, and then that goes to the power. And I had to make my own switch for it, which right here. I wanted to bring the switch to the front of the unit, which the button's just right here for that. So then this front is held in by double-sided adhesive right here. It's actually, use this row right here. It's very strong, but yeah, I'll get the job done. I just covered the whole back side of it. Yeah. Then, so I wanted it to match the front of the Sony CD player. So I think it does. It's very, very reflective. But it looks great, but it is a fingerprint magnet, unfortunately. But yeah, so that's really all there is to this. So yeah, thanks for watching.